my YouTubers one more day for the micronutrient diet. And this diet and this recipe consists of ripe bananas, pineapple, and apples, sorrel. Just like draw the sorrel back there, and papaya, banana, and papaya, bananas, and pineapple and apples, yes, with ginger, real ginger blend, and a bit of saffron, and garlic and onion, red onions for B vitamin, and the red garlic or the dark colored garlic, red garlic, the purple garlic for also some B vitamins are in that one. And that's it. And this is a part of the ascension living and the holy righteous way we lived in the beginning. Micronutrient from these precious herbs, fruits, plants. Thank you. Holy in your eyelids about the good wisdom.